How to use SHIPSTA properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SHIPSTA is an innovative shipping and logistics platform, but many beginners make simple mistakes that cost time, money, and efficiency. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping the onboarding tutorial. Most people get this wrong by diving straight into shipments without understanding SHIPSTA's features. The tutorial explains everything from label generation to rate comparison and ensures you don't waste time or make errors. Second mistake, ignoring rate comparisons. You won't believe how many users simply select the first available shipping option. SHIPSTA allows you to compare rates across multiple carriers, saving potentially hundreds of dollars per month. Always check the best option before confirming a shipment. Third mistake, mismanaging shipment details. The surprising truth is that incorrect addresses, dimensions for weights can trigger delays, extra charges, or even lost packages. Double check every detail before generating your label. Fourth mistake, overlooking tracking notifications. Beginners often fail to set up alerts, meaning they only find out about delays or issues after the fact. SHIPSTA's notification system keeps you updated in real time, which is essential for smooth logistics management. Finally, not optimizing bulk shipments is common. SHIPSTA supports batch processing, but many users handle each order individually. Using bulk tools not only saves time, but also ensures consistent labeling and accurate tracking. Using SHIPSTA properly means completing onboarding, comparing rates, checking shipment details, enabling tracking, and managing bulk orders efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll save time, money, and stress while maximizing your shipping workflow.